He said, just go, just go. He was on video, and this is what he kept doing. Just go, just go, just go. My entire left leg, the bottom of my left leg, was shattered into pieces. And then when the doctor comes and she says, what have you done to yourself? This incident is what really solidified my faith in him. I have faith, so ups and downs will still come in life. But when I'm going through that down, knowing that that down is also right for me in that moment is what faith is. You know, I was in the Montreal ashram यहाँ Canada में लास्ट ईयर अक्टूबर में. टीटीसी था तब, तो हम टीटीसी के लिए आश्रम जा रहे थे. एंड 2-3 दिन पहले टीटीसी के सारे यहाँ के लोकल जो है टीम्स, यू नो, एवरीबडी वाज लिटिल बिट नर्वस कि भाई सेकेंड वेव यहाँ अब शुरू होने वाला है. वी शुड नॉट हैव पीपल कमिंग टू द आश्रम फॉर टीटीसी. बिल्कुल नहीं आना चाहिए लोगों को, कि पता नहीं क्या हो जाए, व्हाट इफ देयर इज एन आउटब्रेक, इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा, बीमार हो जाएंगे. मॉन्ट्रियल आश्रम पता नहीं कहाँ पे है, मतलब it's in the forest, it's not close to the city. So people were nervous and they said to Guruji, no, we should not do this TTC. I just sat there and I wrote to Guruji. I said, Guruji, I'm not attached. If you say do the TTC, I will go and teach it. If you say don't do it, cancel it, I will cancel it. If you say online, I'll do it online. If you say in person, I'll do it in person. Whatever you say. And Guruji called and he said, Jao, go to the ashram, do it in person. He said, just go, just go. He was on video and this is what he kept doing. Just go, just go, just go. And I had at least 50 people here saying, no, you're not going, you're not going, you're not going. Nobody was supporting it. And here I had Guruji saying, go, go, go. Right? So I said, obviously, the choice is very clear who you're going to listen to, right? We're not dumb in that sense. I said, okay, Guruji said go means go. So my husband Bhavesh and I had to teach TTC. We go to the ashram, 26 people show up, which for Canada is a good number. 26 people with a lovely TTC. And my birthday came in the middle of TTC. So we spoke to Guruji, and I mean, not because it was my birthday. We happened to talk to him because he was addressing the TTC group. It happened to be my birthday. We had a lovely celebration, all that. Next day, the very next day after my birthday, I'm walking in the hall and nothing, there's just one wire for the speaker and I trip over the wire and I fell. जब ये सुनते हो तो क्या लगता है, हाँ ठीक है, हॉल में चल रहे हो, एक वायर है, गिर गया, थोड़ी सी चोट आ गई या मोच आ गया, whatever, right? No, for me, my entire left leg, the bottom of my left leg was shattered into pieces. Okay, so my left leg had the shin, the bones had about about 5 cracks the whole leg had, the bottom leg, just the bottom leg. And we are in the ashram, in the jungle there. Raat ko ye 11 baje hua. And people have to, take me to emergency. Yahan ka system is not like India where you go to a doctor and immediately someone sees you. It's emergency. So you wait your turn. So 11:45, I get to the clinic, and 3:35 in the morning, the doctor comes and sees me. So that whole time, I didn't know कि मेरे पैर को हुआ क्या है. वो बस फूलते जा रहा है, सूजते जा रहा है, pain unbearable है. I don't know what to do. And my husband was with me. He didn't know how to help. We just sat there. And then when the doctor comes and she says, what have you done to yourself? She says, were you skiing? So I said, no. She said, did you fall down the stairs? I said, no. She's saying, what did you do? Itna kharab break we have not seen in a long time. And then she said, we are going to admit you to the hospital now. Tomorrow you will have a surgery. Right? So next day, one of my, she's here actually, Aishwarya is here. She's a teacher here in Montreal. She's wonderful. She's like family for me. So she came from Montreal, picked me up and took me to the city, took me to the hospitals. First we went to the wrong hospital, then we went to the right hospital. I was moved from car to car. All that was happening. It wasn't easy. All this time I just had one cast holding all the bones together. 2 days later, I have my surgery where I have my, they put 2 big plates and 14 screws into my leg to hold the bones together. Right? All this happened and I only sent Guruji one message saying that this is what's happened. Just keep me okay. I knew I was going to be okay because he's with us, but I said, let me just let him know, right? And then on the day of the surgery, I spoke to him for 30 seconds. I said, Guruji, I've never had a surgery before. I'm a little nervous about this. And he just laughed and he said, Arey, kuch nahi, tum doctors ko nervous kar dogi. He said that. So he laughed, we laughed and everything. And I went into surgery. And it's been 9 months now, 9-10 months, and I'm still healing from that break, right? Now, ऐसे situation में, where for 3 months they tell me you cannot put weight on your legs. So I'm walking on crutches. Baisakhi, right? I'm walking on my crutches. Even there, even on my crutches, I fell one more time. I mean, I was clumsy anyway. So all this has happened. Now, I had a choice in this situation to sit there and say, why me? मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ ये? मैं तो TTC सिखा रही थी. मैं तो इसीलिए गई because Guruji said to go. How could this happen to me? I was only listening to him. He should have taken care of me, right? This could have been mine. ऐसे मेरे को तो जाना ही नहीं था. गुरुजी ने बोला जाओ, वो भी आश्रम में जाके मैं गिरी. TTC के बीच में मैं गिरी. गुरुजी से बात करने के बाद भी मैं गिर गई. Right? So many doubts can come to my head. But strangely for me, this period, this incident is what really solidified my faith in him. Not that it needed any solidifying at that point, but I didn't know कि इससे भी ज़्यादा faith strong हो सकता है. Right? So for me, I was like, oh my God. And I didn't realize this. So people kept coming and telling me, जो भी मिलने आता था या फोन पे बात करता था, I kept teaching courses. भाई टांग टूटा है, मुंह थोड़ी टूटा है. Right? Zoom पे सब चल रहा था. So I was teaching my courses. I was doing TTC sessions. I did everything. So people kept telling me, I'm amazed. आप कैसे ऐसे हो? आप कैसे? तब मैं बैठ के I was thinking, I said, हाँ यार, ये तो सही है. I don't know how this is happening. मुझे एक सर में दर्द होता है तो मैं पूरा घर उठा लेती हूँ कि भाई सर में दर्द है, सर में दर्द है, सर में. इतना बड़ा हो गया, हड्डी टूट गया, स्क्रू चला गया, प्लेट चला गया. How am I sitting and smiling and laughing and going about my life? Right? And then this hit me. You know, Guruji bolte, it's a strong mind can carry a weak body, but a weak mind cannot carry a strong body. Right? So my body was very weak. But what kept my mind so strong was the fact, was the faith, was the shraddha that कोई तो मुझे पकड़ के रखा है. ठीक है, हड्डी को वो प्लेट्स और स्क्रूज पकड़ के रखे हैं, पर मुझे कुछ और पकड़ के रखा है. Something is keeping me, together, right? And then just a few, I think about a week, 10 days ago, I was speaking to one of my friends in New York. She's a fantastic astrologer. मतलब अपनी teacher हैं वो भी, और उनका बड़ा रुचि है astrology में. So she's studying, she's learning, and she's learning from one of the best and all of that. She was seeing my chart. Well, she says, I study your chart to learn astrology. And she uses algorithms and all of that in her app. So she was looking at my chart and she said, I didn't tell you this at that time last year, but I had already seen that this was going to happen, something was going to happen with you. पर मैं अपने मुंह से संकल्प नहीं डालती हूँ. So I didn't want to tell you that something terrible is going to happen. So I didn't tell you this, but the fact that you were at the ashram, the fact that you were doing Gurudev's work, the fact that you went there only because he asked you to go there is what saved you. You only सिर्फ एक हड्डी ही तो टूटा. Otherwise, वो समय आपके लिए ऐसा था कि anything could have happened to you. Anything could have happened. Right? So what is faith? Faith is knowing that yes, I have faith, so ups and downs will still come in life. But when I'm going through that down, knowing that that down is also right for me in that moment is what faith is. It may not be the best feeling, but knowing, having that faith, theek hai, ye bhi, this too shall pass. This also I will move through. ठीक है, ये भी झेल लेंगे, ये भी हो जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा.